So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So as you all know, Stripe has suspended all its operation from India. In this situation, how you can create Stripe account in India? If you are an Indian, then how you can create your Stripe account? So for this, what you have to do is I will tell you this whole process how a Indian can create a Stripe account. So here you can see this there is Stripe is only invite only in India. So that means you can't create Stripe account from India. But what's the solution? The solution is there is two methods through which you can create your Stripe account. The first method, if you are a SaaS owner, if you provide software services, so in this situation what you can do, you can contact us. Stripe allow SaaS products to monetize, so there you can monetize it easily with Stripe. You can just contact us and we will create your Stripe account. Second method, if you have a other business category, then what you can do, you have to create your US LLC. How you can create LLC? In the description I will give you the link. You can watch the video how to create US LLC, what's the price. In full details I have discussed this thing. And if you want me, my team, to build your US LLC, then also you can contact me. In the description you will find my contact details. Now after your US LLC will be done, just you have to choose US and you have to move here and you will see screen like this. Now our US LLC is done, so now we can complete the procedure. Now you see this business location United States. Now you see this, we have created our US LLC, so select registered business US LLC. Now here I will select single member LLC because my client doesn't have any partner, it's owned by single owner. Click on continue. And if you don't know about these things, I suggest to watch the video that I have told you earlier. In the description the video link is there, so watch that video how to create US LLC. You will learn a lot of things. Now that's your EIN number. Okay, continue. Now there is this business details. This one is optional, so skip it. Your business address and your business website address. Now here you see this, verify your personal details. There will be your legal name, your email, your date of birth. Now you see this home address. This one is not your US LLC address, it's your personal home address. So this means if you're from India, UAE, Germany or any place, and if you have registered US LLC from your home using virtual address, then this will be your physical address, your home address. After filling all these details, you have to continue this. Now here is the main thing. Here you have to select your business category and you have to properly describe your business. Now here you have to select your bank. Now if you have created your US LLC through us, then we provide US bank service also. Now set this in manual. You can choose automatic also if you want. Now here you can select any of this for your security. Now everything is done and everything is perfect. So I will click on this agree and submit. Now you see this, everything is done. Now our Stripe account is active, it's live. The whole process is now completed. So now you see this, our account is live. Now you can accept payments. So this is the process how you can create your US LLC and you can apply for Stripe. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to create your Stripe account and you don't know about anything how to create your US LLC, how to get accepted, then you can contact me. No matter from which country you are, you can get our service. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.